face is not beat. I got on the bare minimum because I'm on my way to work and, you know, I'm not wearing makeup. So I still feel like I look cute with the gray hair. Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I feel like I say that all the time, but you know what, let me rewind. Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. My name is Quamikab. If you all do not know who I am, Quamikab is my name. My channel is basically hair, beauty, and faith. And today I'm going to be doing a hair tutorial for you guys. As you all can tell, I have a twist out in my hair. I do not know how to perfect twist outs, so they are not my best friends. So I prefer wash and goes over twist outs, but I decided to do a twist out. But what I did do was put the twist in my hair on Sunday or Monday. I did not take them out until Friday, so I left the twist in my hair for roughly about 5 days. This is the results, and as y'all can see, your girl got some gray color in her hair. I'm not even gonna lie to y'all, I am getting up in age, y'all, and I found like 1 or 2 gray strands in my hair, and I was like, you know what, how would I look with gray hair? So I decided to pick up my handy dandy hair butter. If you all have seen a previous video on my channel where I did the purple hair wax, purple hair butter, whatever it's called, I'll leave a card up top for that. This is the same company, the same brand, and I just picked it up in silver gray. I'll leave all the details for this product in the description bar down below, and I'll link that video as well. But I decided to try it out. Y'all tell me what y'all think. Anyway, if y'all interested in this video, stay tuned, y'all. Stay tuned to the remainder of the video so y'all can see how I achieve these results. And yeah, let's just jump right into it. Alright y'all, so we are going to start off with freshly washed, shampooed, conditioned, all of that good old stuff. So I'm first going in with a blend of oils. I have about maybe 3 or 4 different oils in the bottle, but they are not heavy oils. My scalp is a little dry and I'm trying to retain as much moisture in my hair as possible. So I decided to oil my scalp as well as the strands. I'm actually going to massage that oil into the scalp with my fingertips evenly, thoroughly throughout the entire head, you all. Now I'm going to clip up the pieces that I'm not going to be working with because I am going to be starting in this back. My hair is already detangled. It's damp, but it's the state that I want it to be to achieve this twist out. Now I'm going in with more oil because the first round was just, you know, a quick run through. Now I'm going to make sure I oil every section thoroughly and I'm getting those ends. I'm going in with the star of the show, the only product that is going to keep this hair hydrated and moisturized and just feeling so bomb. And that is the TGIN Twist and Butter Cream. Y'all, if y'all have never heard of this product, if y'all have never tried it, I give it 10 out of 10 stars. Y'all need to go pop y'all some right now. Stop right now and go buy y'all some. If you got to buy it off of Amazon or go to their website, I'll leave a link down below for you guys to check it out. Check it out. Check it out. It is bomb, y'all. So this, when I want my hair to be nice and moisturized, this is one of my go-to products. Now that the whole section is completely moisturized with that product, I'm going in with some pretty medium-sized twists. I'm not going to go back in and detangle anymore because my hair is already detangled. I'm not going to add any water. The hair is where I want it to be right now. It has enough moisture in it. So, like I said, I'm going in with pretty decent sized twists. I'm not going too small. I'm not going too big. They're just right for the style that I'm trying to achieve. You guys know my hair is pretty thick. So the larger I make them, the longer it will take for me to dry. So I try to make them either in between or small. This day I didn't have time to make them small, so they were like an in between size. But you guys, all the steps are very repetitive. I'm basically going in with that cream and I'm going to twist the hair. Now I decided not to go ahead and detangle because I wanted to leave as much definition in the hair as possible. I feel like when you do twist out on dry hair or, you know, semi-damp hair, you don't get the full results, at least not for my hair. Like I said in the intro, I have not perfected twist outs, and I'm not even going to lie to you guys, I felt like the technique that I used with this twist out was like my go-to. I think I'm going to stick with this, and this product will be a repurchase for me. I believe this is like my third container of this product. It's a daily moisturizer, but you don't need to use it daily because the moisturizer keeps the hair moisturized for at least 3 to 5 days. So I suggest and I recommend you all go copy some of this product. Anyway, I'm completely done. I wasn't going to bore you guys with completely twisting the whole head. Now I'm just going to go do a slow-mo so you guys can see how juicy and defined those twists are, you guys. They're not too big, not too small, but they are looking very moisturized, very juicy. So, I'm not even going to lie to you all. I let these twists stay in for about 5 days. Y'all look at them. They all twisted, shriveled up, hella shrinkage. And because I left them in 4 to 5 days, I am going to go back in with a little bit of oil. Like I said, it looks like I'm over moisturizing my hair, but I'm not. This is a very lightweight oil, but I do want to give the hair a little shine and a little, TLC before I go in and untwist the hair. It does help eliminate frizz as well. Look, y'all, I missed that piece. Anyway, the oil does help eliminate a lot of frizz when you apply it in your hands first before taking down your twist. When you take down your twist, you do not want to be in a rush. You do not want to rush and take down the twist. You can cause a lot of breakage and you can cause a lot of frizz. Some people like frizz. I like volume, so I'm not tripping, but I wanted to see if I can perfect this twist out. Not only did I want a perfected twist out, I wanted a really nice moisturized twist out, and I believe, you guys, I achieved that. I am so excited for this hairstyle, but not only did I achieve all of that, I decided to add a little twist to it, which you guys will see further in the video, and that was to add a little bit of this gray, silver, whatever color hair butter to the hair. I only added it to the ends, you guys. I did not want it on the entire head because I didn't know how it was going to look or how it was going to turn out, so I decided to only put it on the tips. And I'm actually glad I made that decision because it actually turned out rather cute. I got a lot of compliments off of this at work, as you guys know. That's probably the only place I'm going right now because of the quarantine. I'm only going working home. So that's another reason why I kept those twists in my hair for like 4 or 5 days. I actually styled the twist. So one day I wore it up in a ponytail, one day I wore it in 2 buns. So if you guys don't want to do a twist out and you're like me, it takes forever for your hair to dry, leave them in. Style them while they're in. Make it work, make it stretch, because not only am I going to untwist the hair now and wear it 4 days later, I'm getting a whole nother week out of this hairstyle. So 1 week I wore the twist, the following week I'll wear the hair down, and the following week I will go ahead and wash and do my regular regimen. Anyway, I'm gonna stop boring y'all. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. If you all did, please do not forget to hit that like button and share, comment, and subscribe. And I am going to let the finished product show once we get to the end. So I'll see you guys later. Bye. loving it. I'm loving it. I'm loving it now. So this twist stayed in my head for about 4 days before I decided to untwist them. And then I wanted to put a little twist on my twist out. I wanted to see how it would look with gray hair. And y'all, I know my face is not beat. I got on the bare minimum because I'm on my way to work and, you know, I'm not wearing makeup. So I still feel like I look cute with the gray hair. Let me know in the comment section what y'all think of this gray hair. If y'all enjoyed today's video, please do not forget to hit that like button. Please share, please comment, please subscribe, and put on y'all post notification bells so y'all are notified every time I do an upload. And until my next video, I'll see you guys later. Bye.